Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to resize and crop photos in Remini. Alright, so to do that, open your Remini application. But what you have to note guys, when you're in Remini, basically you're going to be enhancing your photo. As you can see, the first option, you're going to be making AI photos. As you can see, the second option here that I have just tapped, or you're going to be making cartoon photos. As you can see, the third option there. So for you to crop your photo, basically you can come to your gallery in your Android device. So when you come to your gallery over here, okay, so you can select this photo here. So this photo was enhanced from Remini, as you can see. So after enhancing your photo, you select it like this. So after selecting it, come and tap on edit over here. Then you can crop it to that extent like that. Okay, so I'll basically crop this one here to only fit this kid who's running. So after that, I'll come and tap on the save button over here. Okay, so you tap on the save button there, then you save it. Alright, so when you're done with that, you're good to go. You have cropped your photo. Alright, thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.